should be live. Let's see. I hope I don't have anything open that should not be open. It's Robin. Hello, hello. Hi, everybody. Hi, Oxalus. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, Billy. Let me put my music on again for myself. How is everybody doing? Thanks for the follow, Alderxian. Alderxian? Oh no. Oh no. Adam retweeted. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm scared now. Anyway. Thanks for the follow, Adam. Rip indeed. So yeah, as you can see, this folder is pretty empty. Pretty empty. How do we create stuff? Hello, everybody. Oh, is my uptime working? Nice. Thanks for the follow, Sirkani. Thanks for the follow, iHildy. This is gonna be a busy stream. Oh boy. Thanks for the follow, Juan. Is that how you pronounce it? I have no idea. MPX creates next app invoice space. Thanks for the follow. And I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, and I don't want to pronounce it. Invoice space. Okay. Thanks for the follow, being Emilio. Port already in use. Nice. Just setting up Next.js. I think I want to also use, it does sound like a name I don't want to pronounce on stream. Thanks, Celine, for the follow. I think I want to use TypeScript. So let's do some cleanup first. Don't need this yet. Styles. Thanks for the follow, Samia Viper. I don't need this. Sure, it's gonna break, but no need for styles. Hello, EXO. Thanks for the follow, William. Oh boy, what is going on? What is going on? 47 viewers already. Yikes. Why did I do this? Okay, so thanks for the follow, Coco. I want this to be TSX. Sure. I want this to be TSX. And now Next is gonna complain. Robin for partner. No, not yet, not yet. Yeah, if the follow notifications are too much, then I'll probably disable it, but for now, it's all fine. So let's restart this thing now that I installed TypeScript. Is it gonna complain about other stuff? Nope. Thanks for the follow. Oh, a bunch of underscores V, a bunch of underscores or O. This is working. This is working. Thanks for the follow, Grognar. Init plus cleanup. Now let's install Tailwind. I'm too lazy to do it from memory, so let's just follow the instructions. Hi, Freek. And then I need this purging stuff. Oh no, Freek is here, so I should probably use some form of white theme or light theme. Why is this not formatting? Oh, I want to install prettier. Thanks for the follow, Felipe Fontana. Oh, now I want to... Do I still have a config, prettier config available? Yes, I do. Nice. What else do I need? Thanks for the follow. Oh my goodness. Guardia del Castro or something. How does one pronounce names on stream? Good morning, Jodrik. You might need PHP. Probably. Oh my god, 72 viewers already. Why did I even tweet this? We have to enable JIT mode because you just have to. Thanks for the follow, Jimilani. Thanks for the follow, Andre. Hello, Utsi. This is gonna be a busy stream. Let's see. Let's restart this thing. Hide the viewer count. I don't know if I can do it. I'm looking at my iPad and I'm not sure if I can actually hide it. Maybe I can. Oh well. Okay, so this seems to work. Or is it? One way to find out is... oh. I'm not fully done yet. I want to add these. That should be better. This seems to work. I can't spell, apparently. Anti-aliased. Thanks for the follow, Contrail. Thanks for the follow, Jodrik. This seems to work. Let's commit this. Setup Tailwinds. All right. I think I'm ready. So I want to, oh, maybe I should also start a server. That's a good idea. I want to work on a little invoice system. And maybe I think a good way to start is actually displaying the invoice. And I did some previous work, as in I did some homework, and I have a few invoices already. Looks like you're not on the raycast train. I have no idea what raycast is. Just going to level up your productivity. Interesting. Maybe I'll take a look later. Seems interesting. Hello, person with a password as a username. Okay, so is this invoice system for Tailwind Labs? It's for me personally. So I think we're gonna use like a simple A4 paper. Hi, Marcel. All the viewers. Let's see, always start with a good old Flexbox. Is everything readable for everyone? Is the music okay? I'm pretty new to streaming, so if there's anything that could be improved, please let me know. Okay. Perfect. Okay. PG gray. Okay, good. Can you bump up the font size a bit? Good question. I am going to do... Let's see if I can do it. $18 maybe? Is this better or still too small? Do you mean the status line from my Vim or from my Tmux? It's both of them are the Nord team. I think I even have a command for it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Have you seen Prime's font size? No, I have not. It's probably insanely big. I can bump it a little more if you want to. How about 22? Let me... This seems way bigger, but... Is this better? '91 viewers. Hello, everybody. Oh, thanks for the follow, Baka the Expire. Thanks for the follow, Sleepy X. Thanks for the follow, Banana. Okay, so one thing I want to do is I can create a plugin for an actual page, or I can be a bit lazy by doing something like and let me put this in nice layers. This is more of components. What is the size of an A4 paper? It's like 210 millimeters by 297 or something, I think. Let's page. A4 paper size 210 by 297. All right, first try. That's good to know. Let's make sure that we put it right in the center. I can use grid. I think it's place content center. Okay, good. That's not how you spell full, but okay. Let's see. Here's another hack we can do. Thanks for the follow, George. George. I don't know if I want to keep this, but at least it's gonna be centered now, and I don't even think I'm gonna need this. Yep, sounds good. Is there a way to set selection background color with Tailwind? Yes. What you can do is selection, add apply PG red 500, and when you save it and select the text, now it's red. And when you make the text white itself, and maybe we can text 6XL. Thanks for the follow, Kalane, or Kalane, or whatever, however you pronounce it. So that's how you color these selections. All right. Let's add some shadow. And maybe some padding as well. I think there's like these print margins, right? What are the ideal print margins? I think I have this in another project already. Oh well, let's not care about printing just yet. Maybe we can just focus on actually designing the page. But I think, yeah, this is gonna be fine. Maybe, can I? Let's see if I can bump up the font size for now. I need to switch to this theme maybe. The Idle Vim theme just isn't like the VS Code one, which is a shame because I love that theme. Yep, that's, do you have a users page of all your gear? I do. I don't know if I have a users command. Yep, there we go. Do you have your vimrc posted anywhere? No, not yet. I should do that, but I didn't do it yet. So here are some designs for invoices that I like. I already have my own design, but I don't want to show it because I don't have like a demo PDF or something. So what's important to put on here? Like issue date. Let's create a little header. Company name. Nice. Let's add some data at the top, maybe. Like company name. Thanks for the follow, JSS540. What else is important here? Data company name. Thanks for the follow, Edwin. These names are not easy to pronounce. Okay, we have an invoice number. That's a must-have. Invoice. How did you manage to create an A4 page in your HTML? I made this page class, and in my CSS I just have a stupid hard-coded page component with a width and height. That's basically what I did. So let's see. Invoice, and then data number. This is all gonna look like potatoes. Okay, so we have that information. We also need let's see, let's call it my company or me, and then clients. Thanks for the follow, David de Vries. Oh, that's an easy name to pronounce. Acme? Is that a good name? What else do I need? An address maybe? Example streets. Hey, can you please record it and publish it on your Twitch? I'll watch it later, I gotta go. It should be recording as we speak. Thanks for the follow, Francis. It should be recording. It should be available as a video on Twitch already, actually. Thanks for the follow, Nerox. All right, so what else do we have? Examples like other streets. Antwerp, sure. What else? A date. Dates, maybe. Isn't that how Twitch always works? I think you can disable VODs, videos on demand. You can disable those, and I had it disabled for my first 2 streams, and then I enabled it in my 3rd stream. So now it should be good. I think my last stream is on there from 3 days ago. So yeah, dates. These are some fun things because JavaScript. Oh yeah, so this is now not company anymore, but me. How long will the streams be available on your channel? I think it's 14 days by default. And I don't even think you can change it. I can download them, I'm assuming, but I'm not sure. So we have an invoice number, we have my company, we have the other company, we have an issue date. Yeah, this is gonna be now. What else is on here? Invoice items, maybe, which is gonna be an array. So what do we have? A description. Line item 1. I'm pretty sure Twitch also takes down all the streams, so a lot of people upload the VODs on YouTube. Yeah. Yep. Okay, sorry about that. Exactly. Exactly. So what does a line item have? Like a description, maybe a units, one, maybe a price. Always do your price in. God damn, the police is coming for robbing. Yep, exactly. Price. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. VAT. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Let's make that a percentage. Tailwind too good, it's illegal, for sure. Units, price. Always store your prices in cents. VAT. Thanks for the follow, Rime Jones. Let's see. Let's add another one. Thanks for the follow, Ferris. Thanks for the follow, Bocelli. Units 3. Do you also have a dump truck? No, I'm not Jordan. I'm not Vape Juice Jordan. 4321 VAT 18%, something like that. And let's do one more. Thanks for the follow, James H Dev. James Dev. Free. So many follows. Yeah, you are getting popular. Yeah, I tweeted it for the first time, and then Adam decided to retweet it, and now I'm scared AF. Okay, we have some items. Should I use something nice like a grid or flexbox, or should I scare everybody with tables? Thanks for the follow, Double Fix. Floats. Let's go. Thanks for the follow, Auto Fight. Oh, you're also a streamer, I think. Yeah, you are. Let's see what we get here. Stringify that item. This is data.items. The main part is actually something tabular. Yeah, I can do something tabular, but I can fake it with grids. Because I already know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 5 columns with a total. Is it grid calls 4, 5? That's how you do it. Let me get rid of this text 6XL for now. Okay, that's good. Don't forget your keys, people. Don't forget your keys. Maybe I put like an ID on here. Good. Item ID. And the way grid works is basically that you don't have to nest stuff. It's all taken care of for you. So let's make this an actual fragment and put a key on here. I think I have to import it from React. Yep. Thanks for the follow, why not draw? Oh, I've seen you before, I think. Did I not import it? I did. Good. Item.description. And maybe I should also add the titles or the heading. Let's see, description. What else? Units, maybe a hashtag. unit price, VAT. What else do we have? Total or subtotal maybe. Thanks for the follow, J Fleshler. Oof. Yeah, I've been loving all of your headless UI work. Thank you. Thank you. We have description. Thanks for the follow, Maxilicious. Oh boy. Way too many people are tweeting about it. Whew. Okay, so we have our stuff going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for the follow, Listefano. Maybe 5 in here. Yeah, that's gonna be better, right? Okay, cool. So we have our description. We have our units. We have our price, which we will be formatting soon. Thanks for the follow here for dev streams. Well, this is a dev stream. Thanks for the follow, Dart Solo. Item price. What else did I say? VAT. We will format this soon. And subtotal is gonna be something like units times item. Thanks for the follow, Leonard. Units times item price. That's a lot of numbers, and then we also probably want to add the VAT to it. Thanks for the follow, 1000. Wow, these names are not easy. Not easy. Okay. So before my Tailwind people start crying about this design, let's add some styles. Yeah, way too many distractions. I think I can make these bold. Is that gonna be good? Oh, what is he saying? Tables are better than grids for this use case. Yeah, we'll see how we'll see if we can switch to tables or just keep it like this, but worrying about multiple pages already met it. Yeah, sure. We'll see. Once we have multiple pages, that's like another something else to worry about. Font bold. Nice. 100 viewers. No, don't do it to me. Class name. This is already super annoying, but oh well. Is my stuff not updating anymore? Oh, there it is. You famous now. No, stop it. What did you say, Michael? I think adding the amount of VAT needs to be on the line itself. Subtotal can be beneath all total prices. Yeah. That's an option. Let's see. Is there like a good example in here somewhere? Unit price, quantity, total, subtotal, and then VAT. We will not worry about it just yet. Let's do some design stuff. It's like gap X, I think. Yes, that's it. And then in here, thanks for the follow, William. Text blue 400. That's okay-ish. Well, I like this one. Maybe 800. Let's not play with line heights. So you have total for each line, then underneath the whole table, subtotal, underneath that VAT for each kind of VAT you have, and underneath that the grand total. That could work. Yep. I think what I want to do here is split things up a little. Add a dot in here. Text blue. Okay, good. Font semi-bold. Thanks for the follow, Solo Betty. Text blue. Let's do something light. Oh, the watch time is still broken. Pizza in the oven, apparently. Still broken. Impressive. Nice. Thanks. I wanna put this on in its own container as well. That's too light. And maybe I should spell things correctly here. I wrote clause indeed. Please don't fire me. Let me see if I can find my own designs real quick of this is gonna be a good idea to hold on. I'm gonna do this. That doesn't even work. Nice. Let me quickly check this one. I'll be right back. I'm just going to quickly double check how my own design works, but I don't want to show my actual invoices on stream because that would not be great. That would not be great. Okay. Okay, let's see. Sorry about that. I should be back now. Yep. Yep. Oh, the watch time is fixed. Looks like Discord link is broken. Is it? Interesting. That's not good. Invalid invites. Oof, that's not good. I'll create quickly a new invite just in case. Copy. Okay. How about this link? Is that link working for you? All right, back to here. Let's make this uppercase. More spans. Text gray 300. This is a bit smaller. That's nice. This a bit darker. That's also good. basics tree. That's just, nope. Is this better? This is sort of ish better. I just want this to be way smaller. I think Discord invites are only valid for 7 days. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, I will change it after the stream then. This can be just LG, I think. Thanks for the follow, Zitex. Okay, let's add some breathing room here. Or let's make this a bit nicer by doing something like PG Blue 800. Okay, cool, good. If we drop this here, put this here, make this rounded and overflow hidden. Okay. Hello everybody. Now we need to make sure that this is text white and not text white 800, because that doesn't make any sense. Company name, and what I want to do instead is I sort of want to split it up. Yeah, I want to split it up, so I can make this an actual component. That should work. I just have to find a way to encode it properly. Music is a bit too loud. Okay, let's do this. Let me know if it's better or not. Now it's off. Hello. How about now? I don't have this fancy stuff that all the streamers have with like, don't listen to chat. Okay, sorry. Wait, then I should not listen to you as, okay. Hello Tilly, perfect now. Okay, good. SpaceX1. That's good. SpaceX. Okay, good. Then I don't think we need this anymore. But let's move this to here actually. Any reason you prefer function component over const? Yeah, it's a function. Use a function. Okay, and then we can, thanks for the follow, Abuzalame. Wow, thanks for the follow, Pizza, thanks for the follow, I'm Pepe. Interesting. Breach. Hi G Longster. If you want to use functions, use functions. Oh, wait until you see that I'm using like let everywhere instead of const. That will trigger some people. But I don't care. Thanks for the follow, J Longster. Okay, so we have some padding over here. Let's add some padding over here. Oh yeah, let's go. I think the most important feature about let for me personally is the block scoping instead of the function scoping. I don't really care about the immutability of reassignment. It is better than var. It is better than var. That's true. Well, unless you want function scoping, then so let's make this like this, and now it's gonna be horrible. So what we can do is this open source? This is currently not open source, but I can open source it probably. So I call it like Invoice Space, and I have that domain name. I just didn't do anything with it yet. What are you going to use for the backends? Code, but I'm not sure yet. We will see. Probably some form of maybe some event sourcing that we can do for invoice creation with Next.js. Maybe some Postgres or something. Let's paste some stuff. Yep, this is good. So people were talking about using actual. What are you working on? I'm working on a little invoicing system so that I can create my invoices in HTML and then I can print them. Currently, if I'm even trying to print this, it's gonna look like broken AF stuff. Yeah, this is not looking good currently, but we can fix this. One thing that we will do, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be for today, is we will be using Puppeteer. We'll be using Puppeteer to generate the PDFs. Event sourcing, is that chance influence? Do you mean which chance influence? Is Alacrity better than iTerm 2? I don't know. I like it. Event sourcing means, so a lot of people currently only store current states. So in your database you have an invoice, and then when you want to change the invoice, then you update your database with like a SQL update. Oh, Shalmakul. Yeah, I worked with, well, not worked with Shalmakul, but I went to Laracon because of Shalmakul, which is very interesting. So with event sourcing, you store a set of events instead of storing current state, which allows you to replay those events and create current state. Because if you just update your invoice, for example, then you basically lost the previous state, and it can be very useful for reporting or just in general. So we'll play with that probably. So we have an invoice now. Shall we do something fancy like let's see. Let me create some little art. BG opacity 25. What will this do? With full and H12. Is this not how BG opacity works? Oh, I'm already in a darkish thing. It's there, it's for sure there. Thanks for the follow, SMLC. Thanks for the follow, Tilly-Milly. Tilly-Milly, what a funny name to say. I want to move this here. When in doubt, add more divs. Computer's about to die. Oh, your computer? I'm so sorry. Please don't let it die. Oof, this is no bueno. BG opacity 75. Yeah, this is okay. H4. Thanks for the follow, Kylie Wicks. That's okay-ish. No, I don't care about that. Okay, back to the items. Let's switch to an actual table. That might be useful though. T-heads. DH. Yep, there we go. T-body. And this can be a TR again. And these can be TDs. Yep. Okay, interesting. With full maybe? That works. I think I should be able to do this now. Yep. That works, but it's text align center. Yeah, that's sort of the default. We will fix it. We will fix it. No worries, no worries. Let's add a little border just to see where things are. Okay, good, good, good. Is this gonna be enough to put it on here? Yep, apparently it is. That's good. This is not gonna work, right? No. I can put it up here. I think. Oh, not px, of course, mx. I think it's gonna be, what keys did you press to remove the class name attribute? DAX. But I think I have a plugin installed for that. Let's see. Where is my plugin stuff? Is it in here? Yeah. I don't know which plugin it is. I don't know which plugin it is. DX. Interesting. Maybe it's just DX built in. Not sure exactly. So what I want to do is do this. Oh, that was weird. Let's drop this thing. Now it's beautifully centered. Yep, that's good. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit. By using Tailwind UI. This will do. What does this give me? People is not defined. That makes sense. Because I'm going to inline it real quick. Thanks for the follow, Ben Raja. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. I don't think I want a shadow though. And I don't think I want to rounded stuff. Oh. Yikes, how does one Vim? Yep, that's good, that's good. I think I want a border top on there. Interesting. This is a good idea. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. Let's quickly port this over. Unit price. VAT. Are you already using the JIT compiler? I'm going to try it later. I am using the JIT compiler. So we can do beautiful stuff like this. BG, let's see. And of course, this is on a div that doesn't have it, but doesn't have it. Let's do it here. And if I, ooh, how did that even work? That's nice. So yeah, this is how you can JIT. Is it like this? Yeah. Yep. Oh, BG white was the original one, right? Yes, it was. This should be data.items. This should be item. We don't need this. Oh, do we? Yeah, let's rename this to line index. Item.id, I think. Item.description. What was the other thing? Units. Item.unit price. And item.vat. There we go. That's renamed. I'm using COC. You can also use, like, if you're using NeoVim instead of normal Vim, then there is the NVim LSP, but I'm using COC for this. So now we have these. Let's find indigo and replace it with blue. Okay, I don't really need to edit stuff actually. So let's drop that thing. But I do have to watch out because what is relative? I think that's gonna be fine. Yep. Oh, thanks for the. Did I miss some follows? Thanks for the follow, Hardy Joliviera. Okay. Line item 1, 2, 3, 3. I think what I want to do is move everything sort of to the right. Do you share your dot files on GitHub? Currently I don't have them shared, but I want to share them. I'm just too lazy currently, and the main reason for that is because I have some license keys in there that I should not expose. How do you leverage the relative clause in Tailwind? I see it a lot in Tailwind UI. What do you mean? If you want to position stuff, you can use relative, but you can also use it for like stacking contexts. Do I have relative in here? I don't have relative in here. Okay, so where's my description? It's up here. Can I do something like with full? Will that push things to the right? It will. But I also have it for my unit price now, which is, and I believe if I do this, that won't work. So I think we have something wrapping. White space no wrap. Yeah, that's the one. White space no wrap. That's better. Maybe I should put these everywhere. Just in case. With 1.5. Yeah, we can do that. I don't really like percentage based widths, but that's gonna be it's an option. I can make this a bit smaller. Okay, so unit price, maybe we can format the unit price. So I think one thing we can do is leverage some new APIs. So we are going to number formatter. I think we have something, yeah, so new intel.number format, and our locale is gonna be, it's optional, so that's nice. Can I do something like undefined, since it's, I think it should resolve it then. Yeah, style, what's the style gonna be? Currency, I think. Yep. And then the currency itself is gonna be no subtotal comma. I will add the subtotal column. Hold on. No worries. I think I can do euros here. Item price, number formatter, format item.price. What will this give me? That's a lot of stuff. This error message style is very interesting. I get squigglies by default. Wait, what is my error style? Oh, you mean this thing? Yeah, I have it configured. Let's see, where have I configured this? I don't even know. Oh, I think it's in my COC settings itself. Hold on, I think. Let me double check if I can show it, because I believe that my yeah, my license key is in there, so I'm not going to share that just now. But I can yank this. COC diagnostics.json. Oh boy, this is not looking good. Hold on. NeoVim COC settings. Get config nvim COC settings. All right, here we go. And now, okay, check out that link. Is this not obviously a Mac? Are you using Linux? No, I'm using Mac. Okay, so now my unit price is displayed in euros. Let me divide it by 100 so that it makes more sense. That's good. I think I want to yeah, so right align it maybe. Oh, and I also have to do it in here. Texts, right? Okay, that's better. Okay, so we also wanted a subtotal. Oh boy, did I break something? No, it's all fine. It's all fine. So this is gonna be items price times item units. So that's gonna give me something, and then we can number format this. Oh, not divided by 1000. Thanks for the follow, Zambini. Yeah, so this works. Text right. Text right. Left becomes right. And right here as well. That's good. I think I want to format this as well. Brackets aren't needed. I know, I just like, I know the precedence rules, but I just like clarity. Okay, this VAT, I can represent it as times 100 to fixed 2. I think this should do something. That works. Thanks for the follow, Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeform? Wow. Morgan Freeform. That's an interesting name. That's an interesting name. All right, so let's add a footer. Is it like tfoot? I think it is tfoot. I think I just want 2 of them. Total, maybe. Let's see. And this is gonna be data.items. Let's reduce this into a number. We have a sum, we have items, so what we'll do is sum plus item dot price times item dot units. This is gonna give me something. And then I also want to do the number formatting. That seems about right. So what I can do here is basically, how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say call span 4. And I think I have to do this, right? Do you need to add the Tailwind class tabular nums on the table to visualize the line? We can do that. That's a good question. That's a good question. We can do it. Do I want text right in here? It's a bit fugly. Super ugly. Let's that's nice. Thanks for the follow, Gay Ashwin. Thank you for the follow. Hello Vemut. Yeah, maybe we can add that stuff. So I think it's just tabular. Do we just have tabular nums? Yep, that works. How does one write tabular nums? Like this. Okay, cool. And then on the total itself. Okay, good. I don't need this anymore. Okay, what else are we gonna do? VAT, unit price, subtotal. So what did Michael say the other... Where was it? Where was it? Oh, I missed a question from Solo Betty earlier. I'm sorry about that. They asked, Robin, I have a small question. If you could answer, I have seen you recently working with both React and Vue, but you're coming from React world. Did you like Vue? Is that easier for you? I think if you know a lot of, if your JavaScript knowledge is good enough, then I think React might be easier, but Vue looks simpler, but it's not easier, especially once you write like libraries and stuff with all the refs and computed properties and composition API. It can be interesting. By the way, just checked you use Spark as your email client. How do you like it? How do you know that I use Spark? This is scary. How? Oh, it's on my users page. Okay, never mind. Whew. How do you like? I use TwoBird. I like it, although it feels a bit underdeveloped. Yeah, I've been using it for a few years, so I was like, how do you know? Yeah, I've been using Spark for a while. The main reason I use it because I used Mac and Android, and it was one of the clients that just worked on all of them. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is currently pretty ugly, but oh well. Oh well. So yeah, I lost the comment from Mikhail. I'm using Neovim, by the way. Unit price, VAT. For me, VAT doesn't really matter that much. Something I can do, because if you have like multiple different VAT stuff on each line item, maybe what we could do is something like this: exclusive VAT and including the VAT. Ooh, this is gonna get gnarly. You have total for each line, then underneath the whole table, a subtotal, underneath that VAT for each kind of VAT you have, and underneath that the grand total. Do you have like an example of that by any chance? Sorry, I don't have my my vimRC published. Can I do something like items, and it should be a list of invoice, thank you for the link. So what did we say? Number is gonna be a string, me is gonna be a name with something. Well, this doesn't really matter just yet. This does matter more. Interface item, and what did I say? Price of number. Number string. Did I type number string? Nice. Oh, I saw that somewhere. Don't know where. Units, description string, units, plural, apparently. Price, VAT. Description, units, price, VAT. Nice. I don't think I need this. I do think I need that stuff. And I can do this now. I will do a separate line for each type of VAT where multiple are present. Let me see if I can open this link. Oh, I see. So you mean in here, where you have this line, you just have like 21%, 18%, 16%, whatever underneath each other, and then they just sum up? Gotcha. That makes sense. That makes sense. I think it's gonna be total of data items. I just don't know if I want, no, I just want this in cents. Okay, gotcha. Total. Invoice items, and then it's gonna be a single one. Not going to abstract this. No need, no need. So they had just a total without the VAT stuff, eh? Yep. So what I will do is okay, this is something we can do up here, I think. And then to make it better, to price is gonna be 100, and now this is gonna be something like this. Thanks for the follow, Casey Joe Neal. All right, so what I want to do is sort of group all VAT totals or something. So what we can do is loop over the items, grouped item, we can put them in a little object. Yeah, I think we can do that. So what we can do is in grouped, we're gonna have an item item.vat, and then what we can do is plus equals let's default to 0. and otherwise plus equals, and what do we want to add to it? Basically item.price times item.units times item.vat or something like that. Console log debugging, because I'm a real professional. So this gives me something, which is nice. Now, since we have this object, I think I want to move this to tuples. I think we can move it to tuples like this. Entries. So now we should have an array of, sure, VAT. This works. But now it's a string. So what we can do is an object with total being 0 and name, or just VAT, because I don't want to re-parse it. Now we can drop this thing. Now we can do VAT in here. Oh, not V, just total. Okay, good. And I think what I want to do is VATs, map the VAT. Still 80 viewers, nice. Hello everybody. Oh, here's something I didn't do yet. Why don't you do a little drop? Let's make this a bit more non-professional, because I'm too scared. That is VAT and total. Let's go. Oh, it's so slow. I need to get a streaming PC or something. So VAT times 100. Why is VAT a string in here? Oh, I see. That drop game is so slow. Is it for everybody slow, or is it just slow for on my screen? This is not that ideal, but I think I just want the values. Okay, I'm sorry. So what is the structure of VATs now? Unknown. I'm pretty sure it's, oh, TypeScript, thank you. It's gonna be number, and the list of numbers. That will do it. Okay, so we have that, and then we basically have total in here. Invalid attempt to destructure non-iterable instance. It might be slow for you, but at least you are on the target. Oh, it's just like objects. Gotcha. So we have total and VAT. So this is gonna be not like this. Oops, that was too much. Total number, VAT number. Because total is a function too, I think. Total is a function, but it's like shadowed, so it doesn't really matter. Text content did not match server total client VAT. Interesting. So is this what you had in mind? I think if it's 0, we can basically drop it. Thanks for the follow, the Mozilla. I think I can sort of cheat by doing this. So now this is just saying number. Can I type this? Oh, that works, that works. Oh. So this works, and now what we can do is basically filter out the stuff we don't need. Hi Monte Morris. Yeah, I will do that. That's a good idea. Oh, this is not gonna be does anyone know anyone balling on up? I don't know anybody from Upwork. So this is not good. Oh, the VAT. Oh, I have to look at total, of course. And I only want to keep this thing. Yep, that makes sense. Good. So in theory, if we do this, thanks for the follow to B Del Gafour. This times is this correct? Is this correct? And now I probably also want like a subtotal. And let's do something fun. Let's see. I want to have some features for the total stuff. Total features, including VAT. Nothing. Total features dot nothing by default. If features and features dot including VAT, then we basically want to do this. Clean this stuff up. No, this is fine. This is fine. Let's do to this, and now where we use total, in here, what I want to do is including VAT. Is this correct? Like 14397. I should have used easier numbers. Plus 25914 plus 2369.34. I was just like using math instead of like thinking. Is my subtotal correct though? Look, it's Saturday. I don't know how to subtotal seems correct. Is it correct? Like 12K? Maybe, hold on, this is what I'm gonna do. Where is my data? Where is my data? Let's say 100, 150, 200, and something like this. That looks better, right? So there's finances CF. So 21%, 21 euros, that makes sense. 18% for this one, 18% for this one. That looks correct, but this is not correct, I think. Okay, so we have our total. Oh, this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Because we have the total. This is actually subtotal, which is item time, the price times the units. And if we want to include the VAT, then we add the percentage of the VAT to it, and then we continue with whatever was the previous thing. I think this seems more reasonable. 750 plus 21 plus 1117, 888. Let's go. Whew. How does one math? How does one math? Okay. So, what else shall we do? I think this box is like too big. It's too big. Can I add like a nice little border to a footer? That will work. Now I think I want to decrease the to thanks for the follow, audio boy. Okay, subtotal. I don't like how much room is in here, so this is better. Wait, why is it not updating? Oh, there it is. Oh, something is could probably be even less. Thanks for the follow, Chris F. Oh, hello. Hello there. Hello there. Do I like this border top? Do I like this border? Wait, there is something else going on. There is something else going on, I feel. Maybe not. I finally get to be on the other side. Welcome, welcome. I just started streaming like last weekend, and this is my 4th stream so far, I think. So I'm pretty new to it. Yeah. Subtotal. I also think, just to be pretty random here, I want some more breathing room. Yeah, that's good. Border above total 2 maybe. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I think 200 is our default. Let's keep it like this for now. I don't like this thick border. It's too thick. Okay, so these VAT stuff this is working. So does this mean that once I have like everything as 21, this doesn't matter? This, now we only have one thing. Okay, cool. If we make this 0, 0, everything is for free now, then we don't have VAT. That makes sense. Should it say VAT 0, or should it be dropped? This might be more correct, but it's ugly. Okay. I'm not sure. Let's add some more info on here. Maybe we should put you shouldn't have the lines. Yeah, that's a fair point. VAT should be at least one line. You mean if everything is 0, then we have like only one line of 0? We can do that, right? If the VATs length. That's not true though. My invoices don't include VAT. I'm gonna drop them for now. So where is our invoice stuff going on? Oh, special case. Yeah, so is this the box that I want to work on? Yeah. But then I would remove the subtotal. That's a good idea. Because in that case it doesn't really make sense, right? That really makes sense. Wow. So where do I do this in here? Okay, so what we can do is if the VAT's length is greater than 1, if we have items, but if not, do it like this. Good. So now, why did I do 2? What just happens? So now VAT, yeah, okay, this is looking good to me. Where did I type red? So what were they doing? Invoicing to vision tag. Okay. My personal one, I'm doing something like data dot client dot name Acme Inc. Sure. Clients pen. I can't type. Yikes. Good. Semi-bold, maybe? Text gray. That's okay. That's okay. I've been streaming for almost 2 hours. Interesting. Interesting. Let's have some breathing room. Let's also make this a flex box. Justify between. That's good. That's good. What else do we put on here? Data.client.address. Address is in Antwerp. Fine. I think I want to wrap these in another div and make them flex as well, but in column form. That's good. You know what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna move this into a separate section. And then do this whole shebang. Now it's in there, fine. Now we copy this thing. Maybe some information. Data dot dates issue date to local string. Flex justify between. Yep. Now let me make this a bit UI6. Oh, where is all this? Is this the leading? Where is all this room coming from? Oh, it's space 8 up here. Okay, I see. Let's go back to this thing and make this 6 maybe. 4. This is one fun thing about Tailwind. I'm not a designer, but I just go one value up, one value down, just see what looks better. Well, this is still looking like super bad. It's fine. Okay, so this information, what I want to do is maybe include some form of date functions. Formats data.client.issue. from date functions. Two arguments required, but only one present. Really? What does it take? Date and then, oh, interesting. So we have a date, we have a format, and then we have options. So locale is gonna be, let's see if I can put it to NL, and then the actual format. Dates issue. What is a good format to use? Hold on. Format. It actually depends on the locale what a good format is. I know. I think this can be something like this. Is this gonna work? Okay. April 2021. That's not good. I'm just looking quickly at my other project where I used this. Invoice, pages invoice. Use date formats. Oh, I think date functions. Ever tried Angular or Vue? I have worked with Angular.js, and I currently also work with Vue, but this project is in React, but for work I also use Vue. Where is this format stuff going on? Because I think there is something that is already optimized for depending on the locale. I think it's PPP. I think that's long localized dates. Sure. PPP. Okay, so now when I drop this locale, maybe I should keep it in English for now. It's gonna be nicer for the stream anyway. Small PPP. Okay. Issue. So how are we going to do this? I think issue date. Is this a good idea? Flex all the things. And then due date. And when is due date gonna be? Maybe something like data dates issue, maybe 30 days or something. Do we have add days? We do. Due date, May 24th. Yeah, on my invoices I use 30 days, but I could do add month, that's true. Although I think 30 days is better because I always want 30 days instead of depending on 27 days or 30 days or 31 days. So I think this is fine. So I think one thing I can do is add a little span, 30 days. Something like this maybe. Oof, too dark. This is better-ish. Font light. Thanks for the follow, Ephraim, something like that. Okay, this is good. I think I want to align these things? So something like grid skulls 2, and then something like gap 2 maybe. Okay, interesting. So what I could do actually is move this to here, drop this, drop these, drop this one. Let's go. And add this one in here. That's one way to do it. But it's pretty ugly. So now we have this. Let's see. If I put something like widthful on here, and then I put block, and also do it here. That doesn't really work, but I could do something else. I could do something like I could add a table. I could add a table, or I can do something like we have 4 columns, and then we just say that this one is 2 columns. I don't know what the exact syntax is for this though. That's grid calls, call span 1, okay. Call span 2, call span 2. That's not how you spell 2. I'm sorry, what now? Got to run, but great to see you streaming. Followed, and I'll be joining in the future. See you, Chris. Thanks for joining. Hope you have a good one. Is this totally broken just because of oh, we have to do in that case 3, right? Because we have 2 here, 2 here, so this should be 3. What an invoice actually looks like. Hi Miguel. I had no idea you live coded. Well, I had no idea either. Why is this all broken? What an actual invoice looks like. I know what an invoice looks like. There are different ways to do it. I'm scared to open it on stream. Oh my. No. 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 That's too ugly. I should ban you for this. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the easy way and just use tables because sue me. TD. This one can go here. Span can be replaced with a TD. Oh. The reaction of genuine fear as it should be. Yes. Yes. Have you seen that thing? Have you opened the link? I think it's safe for work. Thanks for the follow, Miguel. What is going on? Oh. Due dates. I think I can steal this thing, right? I want to paste things, but I don't want to open my clipboard. Is it fine? Yeah, it's fine. But what else did I break that it's suddenly this broken? Is it still this thing? Table information. Wait, hold on. I lost some stuff. Wait, hold on. What's going on? So we have this div. We have this one. This is client stuff. So this is one section. This is another section. This is another section. Sure. These should be in their own container. Yes, good, good. Information. Where is this coming from? my2? my2? That's this thing. Interesting. This is better. Oh, I see. I'm just screwing things up. I see. So this is better now. Now this one. So this is the whole container. This container. I don't care about this container, I think. But I do care about this being in here. And I don't care about this. Okay, so this is the client section. This is the information section. And I think I can put flex colon here. Okay, good, good. Why is this space 2? It should be space x2. Or space y2. Let's not care about this for now. Okay, that's better. Now I want them side by side. This is one. Am I still screwing things up? Client, information, then a div, then a div, then a table, then a table. Yes, this is good. Just like this. Whew, there we go. There we go. Let's also make sure that this by default has some padding. Sure. Nice. Okay. What else? What else? Oh, my 30 days are sort of broken-ish. Class name, basics. What did I use before? 2, 3? 3 maybe? I think that's fine. Okay. Should I... There's like a lot of empty space in here. So I think what I could do is in here, make this a bit darker. Make this a bit darker. Sure. Now div span, and I want to add a date in here. Data, dates, issue dates, PPP. Good, 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 good. So let's make this. Oh, you know what? I can move this in here. Drop this, drop this. Now it's in there. Good. Flex. Justify between. Sure. This is unreadable, so let's make it readable. Texts to Excel maybe. Text white. Nice. Font semi-bold. Sure. That could do it. I think I used 3XL up here, so maybe let's move this to 4XL. Cool. Maybe add like a global footer. Hello footer. Good, 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 good. Maybe I can do the same treatments up down here, like BG blue, what did you say, 900 or something, B12 text white. Sure, that works. Is everything still good? Chat is so quiet, still music, still readable, all good. Maybe do a drop game. Why not? Let's see. Okay, cool. So I think I always want this footer at the bottom. So one way to do this is maybe I can flex this. Now that also means that the whole thing should be a flex container. Is that a case? Is that the case? Will this screw things up? Whew. Okay, so now it's at the bottom. Now it's at the bottom. Flex shrink 0. Is it 0 or none? I know it changed it at one point. 0, right? Yep, okay. That drop game is so slow. Yikes. Yikes. So I wonder, did everything like move up now that I added this flex thing? No. Interesting. So maybe I should move this back to 8 for some breathing room. Nice. Okay. Then we have this one that I want to put up here. So I can do this instead. Thanks for the follow, Chris Dev. Space Y. Wait, what just happened? Yeah, this is fine. Space Y8. I think I want to make this even more breathing room. I think this is nicer. This is nicer. What should I put in the footer? What do I have currently in my footer? Where is my personal one? Down here. Oh, the total amount. Yeah, that's something we can add. Div total amount to be paid, and then we want to number format this thing again. $121. Nice. And let's be flexing. Flex, okay, flex. Justify between. Good. Text for Excel maybe. Oof, that's might be too much. But I do like font semi-bold. That's not too bad, but I think instead of using just white, what I will do is text blue 200 maybe? No, 100 maybe? Did it save? Oh, I kind of like this. I kind of like this. That's good. What else do we put in here? Payment details. Payment details. And then I think I want to use the same treatment that I used up here. Let's copy this. Okay. Payment details. Text. Blue. What did we say? 100. Yep, that's good. Then. Oh, I actually want the other one. I want the table one. Where are we? Here? Yeah. Nice. So issue date is gonna be, what's gonna be important? Email. Hello at example.com. Sure. Then what else do I have? VAT. PE 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and IBAN PE 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like this. Now we just have to make it a bit nicer. Looks legit. Thanks. So for starters, I want to make these font bold. I think that's gonna be nicer. Those are bold now. Good. Now I want to make this one text blue 100-fold bold as well, but also Excel text, so it's a bit bigger. And then breathing room 5 is such an odd number. 4 maybe. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. And then up here we can do some space y2. I feel I want more breathing room up here. 6 maybe. 8. That's not too bad. Okay. What else do we put up here? Terms and conditions. Payment terms. I'm not sure what to add exactly, so let me just add the locale, just for some, to prevent confusion. Okay, good. And then, you know what we're gonna do? Add another div. And this div will allow us to, oh, did I screw things up? No, okay, good. This thing will allow us to flex call, justify between, if I'm doing things correctly. Payment details, payment terms, yeah. Why is that not working? Flex call, oh, it's call, yikes. Okay, so that's working. It's looking good. I don't like how this looks currently, but maybe we can fix that somehow. Maybe what we can do is in our table, where is our table? We have this border. Yeah, this border top is fine. We have all these classes just for responsiveness, but since that's not gonna be needed, I think. So just drop these 3. Thanks for the follow, delighted 5th. Okay, and then total. Where's my total? I put a border top on here. Let's drop that one. So what I can do is add like a fake th in here with a call span of 3. Drop this one. And now if I do border top and border right, is it possible? Yes, but then I should do the inverse. Border top is gonna work. Wait, hold on. I also want to do the same treatments for this one and this one. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's looking good. And now I think I can do something like what does border left do here? Okay. How about here as well? Okay, good. Border B, if I can spell border right. Let's go. Let's make a little square. A nice little square. Border B. How about this? Still not happy with it, but I think it's a bit nicer. It's a bit nicer. Yeah. Okay. What else can we add? What can we steal from these designs? A logo, grand total, payment methods. Thank you for doing business. Oh, I think an interesting one is gonna be if you have like multiple pages. That's gonna be interesting. 5, 6, 7. See, now it's overflowing already. Let's add a few more. 8, 9, 10. Holy bananas. I currently hard-coded my page to be of a certain height. So in an ideal world, where did we define this? Up here. So I think if I do another div down here, page 2, multi-line descriptions like when you sometimes add. Ooh, that's also a good idea. Let me just quickly do this. Okay, so we can have multiple pages, but it's looking pretty strange. Let me keep this for now. Multi-line descriptions. I think that already sort of works actually. Okay. This line item 12, and then sub item. Oh, can I do this hacky stuff with like, yeah, something like this, then do, let's add a new line. Good. And then where are we printing the description? Item.description. In here, white space, no wrap. But I want to wrap, I think. Oh, we can add pre-line. White space pre-line. Or pre-wrap. Nothing? Interesting. Pre-line. To preserve new lines but not spaces within elements. Yeah, I think I want this. Oh, I'm just being stupid. Yeah, this works. But that also means that I think that I want to move these to the top. Maybe not. Maybe what is it, align top or something? Yeah. Should I do it for everything? Yeah, this is fine. One thing that I just realized is that I didn't add tabular nums to some of the total things right about here. And of course we can't see it because I have too many items. Okay, so did it have an effect? Yeah, it does have an effect. Oh, it's pretty ugly though. Oh, one thing we can do is Tailwind UI documentation. I think we have a font in here that we can use. Yeah, let's use this font. What's the best way to do this? Should I be able to do this? Maybe. Head, something like this, and then format this thing. Oh boy, what did I do? Import heads from next heads. And I probably want this thing. Yes. And then we want to extend this Tailwind config. And of course the default theme. And now everybody don't watch. I'm gonna change it to a let because I'm that kind of person. Good. And now what I want to do is in our CSS. In our CSS, I want to say something like text. Wait, what was it again? Sans. Yeah. Oh, font, of course. Font, sans. Good. Now, why is this thing broken? What did I break? Theme extend, font family. Wait, sorry. Oh. You may need an additional loader to handle the result of these loaders. That doesn't make any sense. Did I break it in here? Unexpected token 109. Pages index 109. This does not make any sense. Why is it complaining about this? It used to work with... You know what? Remove the next folder. And let me just make sure that I commit everything, just in case. Curious because I saw your code on Headless UI. Why let? It's shorter to type. remminref.next. Yeah. Hello Creative Null. Hello Lucy Duck. Hello Mook Train. Okay, let's zoom in on this one. You may need an additional loader to handle the result of these loaders. Is this really the problem? And if so, why is this a problem? It literally used to work. Unexpected token, 128. Sure, 128. This does not make any sense. Let's do this for now. Grouped item.vat. There we go. That's interesting. So let me go to my app again, undo this stuff. Let's get back to my CSS, font sans. You cannot put a head in app TSA. No? Is it not allowed? If it's not allowed, why doesn't it complain? HTML to contain matching TR in table. Okay, let's double just check. Computed. Inter is being loaded. It's being loaded though. Why do I need to put it there? Why doesn't it complain then? Broken. Seems to work fine. Also, thanks for the follow, Delighted Viv. Maybe I already said that. I'm not sure at this point. Index, yeah. So this is working now. We just need to find a way to split this table. Oh, interesting. Well, I think I can. There is like Next.js custom documentation, I think. Oh, can I do something horrible instead? No, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, let's do that instead. Pages at document.tsx and copy this whole shebang. Go to app. I think I can put these always there and even overwrite them, so let's do something like this, I guess. Let's restart this thing. Font computed. Font is intervar and the actual loaded font is inter. Nice. Should I use inter or should I use something like dank mono? I think I use it on my own site. Oh, looks similar, huh? Am I using dank mono over here? Oh, it's also inter. This looks like dank mono though. DM dank mono. Interesting. Maybe it's fine for now. It's fine for now. All right. So yeah, let's see. Let's comment these out for now, just so that we have some breathing room again. Is this already too much, or is it just gonna? Ooh, that's a big footer though. Although, in my case, I probably just have 2 most of the time. Let's see what happens if we want to split it up into pages. I think what I want to do is don't care about these multi-line descriptions and like consider them their own row, so that I can like calculate how many rows I can fit. So not going to care about this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. And obviously I can only fit 2 items currently, or maybe 3. Let's see, pages. Well, it depends. On the first page, I can fit way more than on the, way less. I can fit like 2, 3 items, and then on subsequent pages, I can fit way more. So what I can do is page 1 max. This is so stupid. 3. And then maybe something like page last. Last page max is gonna be 4. First page max is gonna be 3. Page max is gonna be I don't know, 6 maybe. So what we could do is group items. Data items dot length. Okay. I want 1 page by default if data.items.length is less than first page. This is just some random stuff I'm doing right now because I'm not sure how it will actually work. Any reason as to why you use let for constant variables? Just curious. It's shorter to type. Let first page max equals 3 instead of, it also reads better. Then pages is gonna be 1. I think I can do like an easier thing for now and make it better soon, like the amount divided by, I don't know, 4. In my opinion, the most important feature about let and const is the block scoping instead of function scoping. And I don't care about reassignment and immutability. How many pages do we have? Thanks for the follow, Brocard. Almost 3 hours that I streamed already. Whew. I think I'm just going to look at how we can split these pages, and then I'll probably call it a day and continue another day. Pages 2. Pages 2. Okay, that's good. So what we can do is like grouped is gonna be data.items dot It should be 3. Oh, we can do 3, yeah. Oh, I didn't want to do that. What's gonna be a nice way to do it? Grouped. It's gonna be an array. Can I do it in like one-liner? Probably. Data items dot reduce groups item. Let's see what's gonna be a good way to do this. Oh, I'm just gonna be really lazy. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah, it should be something like this. And I think in here I can do something like let's grouped equals data dot items dot slice, and then we want to keep slicing for each page. But I can also cheat by going to my GitHub, and I think I have lazy collections, and I think I have a chunk in here. Yeah, here's pizza. Hello, pizza. I also think that I have, let's go to my gists. Let's go to my, it's all secret stuff. Ooh, scary. Is it start? Look how lazy I am. And then it requires a range. Let's go. I don't care about the checks in here. Let's just do this, and then I know I can clean it up. Don't yell at me. Playing with my Stream Deck. Ooh, interesting. That's grouped. Chunk data.items, and we want to chunk it by the amount of pages. Damn. I didn't. Pizza did. It's on my wish list though. Import and export may only be at the top. Yeah, sure, I know. Didn't I remove it from here? Oh, this was incorrect. Hello Trash, how are you doing? Good morning. Let's look at these warnings in a second. So now we have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 1 here. Does this make sense? I guess it does. Oh wait, did we now just create 4 chunks instead of... Oh, pages 3, so per 3. Yeah, this is... Don't leak your DM with trash. Oh no. Do I have a DM with trash? Oh yeah, I have some DMs, but nothing to worry about, I think. Okay, so maybe it's time to chunk things up. Like create some components. Thanks for the follow, Sam Griffin. And you don't have to be a follower to chat in here. Let's see. I'm gonna be really lazy again and just create some up here. So we have our, let's call it heading. That should work. Where is this chunk located? I think it's gonna be all of this information, clients. Yeah, it's gonna be all of this. Yep. Heading. Probably need some fragments. And it's gonna complain now. No worries. No worries. Data, which is gonna be invoice. Right. Oh, and I didn't put everything in yet. So let's see. Where's my invoice? Here it is. So I have a number, a number which is a string. Yeah, this is funky. Oh, this is not the correct spot. Manifest solutions. Ooh, yeah. Number being a string. I should delete a few of those. Me is gonna be. Thanks for the follow at Sylvie. Hire me. Okay. I will pay you €1 an hour. So what do we have? A name, which is a React node maybe. This could be better. An address being a string. What else do we have? A client with a name of string and also an address, I think. Yep. And then something like dates, issue date, it's gonna be a date. Date. And let's import this one. And let's get rid of this thing. Let's just be good here and add some numbers in here. And this is gonna be whatever t is. Okay, heading. So we can probably re-add our heading now. And what does it need? Like data. Yep, it's there again. Now this one, I think for the subtotal, VAT and total stuff, the last one is just gonna be on the very last page, and then the header up here with each item is gonna be on every single page. I think that's a good idea. Where are we? So items, very, very beautiful name. For now, just going to copy the whole thing in here, paste it, and I probably need my items up here. Data. You know what? I can do items already. Items, invoice, items. And then I probably have some data. Yep. The Doesn't item have an... Oh. ID of string. I wish I just learned coding when I first started looking at it long. Just start coding. You can do it. You can do it. So now my thing is pretty empty. That's some interesting stuff. Oh, I know why. We'll fix it in a second. Data, items, and I can do this. As an invoice. This is totally broken. Should I do this instead? Okay, so it's complaining about the ID. Number is fine. Maybe in the future we will change it to UUIDs. VATs is not defined. Oh, that's for the... I've looked at it on items. Yeah, so we have some VAT stuff in here. I think what I can do... Thanks for the follow, Sinji Chakal or something. I'm sorry for all the name butchering. Item features. So what do I want from the features? I want to include summary. Maybe something like that. And by default, thanks for the follow, Foop Hoop. Foop Hoop. Foop Hoop. What a funny name. Alright, include summary or nothing. What did I call the other one? None. I think I called it none. Features being item features, and then I think what I want to do is item props is gonna be items of invoice items and features of none. Yep. And then I can do the same thing for include summary, and if that's the case, then I also want the VATs to be here, which is gonna be something like total number VAT number array, like this. Wait, what's going on? Enum type item feature has members with initializer that are not literals. What? How did I do it up there? That's looking the same to me. items, and I could keep it simple. Let's not worry about it too much. But I do want to keep this. This is gonna be items. This is gonna be items. This is gonna be features and item features dot include summary. If that's the case, then we want to do this. Yes, and then go back to our items. Feature is gonna be item features dot include summary. This will be the case for the first page. Nice. Now, what I want to do is the following. Grouped map. Ooh, this is gonna get interesting. Grouped dot map group. This should create multiple objects. Array is not a function. What does group look like? It's an array. Okay, now we have our multiple pages. That's good. That's good. Now that we have our multiple pages, what we can do is, you know, what I'll do instead is do the chunking items. Chunking items of data items length %4 plus 1, so that we can drop this, and then I can call this my page. And I also think that I want to return something like this. Yeah, so these are our items, and this is the page index. So if the page index is null, then we want to include this. It's like pretty annoying that my that we have this flexed. So I'm gonna get rid of it for now. Good. Let me add some padding and center it. Also good. And also do something like this. So now we have it on the first page. Thanks for the follow, Tigro. Oh, this will not work in here, of course, because index, learn to type, Robin. Space y8. So page 1 includes our header, page 2 doesn't. It's looking weird, but that's good. That's good. This will be items. Did it save? 3 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice, good. Then the next thing is gonna be include summary is only. So if page index is items, this list.length -1. If that's the case, then we want to include this, otherwise we don't. I don't think I need this. Oh, I have total. Is this all in the footer? Oh, I see. I should just wrap this around here, drop this, and drop it in here. Now we have 0, of course. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we have our total in here, which is nice. I think the footer should only be on the very last page. So that's this one. Page index. List length -1 and footer. Footer is not defined. Of course it's not defined. I didn't define it yet. So what does this require? Items again. Items is gonna be invoice items. Data items. Okay. Heading. Description. Thanks for the follow, Noman. So we have our, thanks for the follow, Venling. This is like a pretty empty page. This is a pretty empty page. This is the final page with the footer and our subtotal on here. This is interesting. This is of course not correct because this should be, thanks for the follow, Nima. Brr. This should contain all the items. So where is our VATs? VATs. Shouldn't that include everything? Interesting. See, it has a total. Oh, yeah, that's just because of this thing, right? I see. You're the first one to pronounce it correct. Oh, what did I say? Nima brr or something? You're welcome, I guess. Okay, I think what I want to do, the VATs is correct because 21 is filled in here, but total and subtotal is not. Show nice. I don't want to make it its own component because it should fit like in the same table. That's pretty important. But what I can do is, oh, I can do this, I think. Okay, here is a funny thing we can do. Whether it's a good idea, that's up to you. Let's use some composition. And let's not care about these features. Let's not care about, let's just do items, which is gonna be these local items, but these should be all the items. These should be all the items. Yes, this is gonna be good. So I can simplify this by removing this stuff and just doing items, invoice items, yep, drop this, I don't need this anymore. Children is important. Always define your children. React Node, but it's also optional. Okay, so first page, middle page, last page. Ooh, we have our total again, and the footer. I don't have kids. I don't have kids. I have children in my items. My items have children. Okay, so I think this is good. Maybe we can now do something stupid like see how many items we can fit on a page. Still going strong. Yeah, I've been streaming for 3 hours now. So this is interesting, right? So if we have 3 items only, then our footer still can be here. However, once we have multiple items, then interesting. This is gonna get interesting. Let's work on making these a little bit nicer for now. This middle page is just looking stupid right now. %3. Wait, where? Chunk. Okay, so this is stupid now. 8. Wait, hold on. What? That's how you do it. This is how you do it. What is this song actually? Let's do this one. All right, still 60 viewers. Interesting. Might be because I'm doing something visually instead of just writing tests in my terminal. So one thing I want to do is add like a little border underneath line 8. That's gonna be useful. The question is, shall we put it just on the table itself? Border. Sort of. Border B. Border top and border bottom. Yep, this is better. Oof, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. What I'll do instead is class names. Let's write our own class names function in a second. So when the line index equals the last one, border B. Will there be support for PDF, or will this just be an online view for Invoice? No, I will create PDFs. That's not too hard to do. Utils, class names, tsx, ts, export function, class names, classes, and classes can be something like a string or false or undefined or null, and I think that's about it. Classes.filter boolean. Thanks for the follow, Unwritten Fun. Thanks for the follow, Seaver, CVR, yes. Let's import this thing. Did I write it first try? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Points. Oh, I think I disabled that. I can re-enable it. Let's see, stream elements. Connect with Twitch, sure. How old am I? I am old enough to drive a car. Why do you want to know? It's kind of funny because you have to be 18 in Belgium, but in the US you can be 16 or something. Where are these points? Points. Okay. Pizza in the oven, can you try again? I'm 25. Oh, it's because I did it. I think there's like a little timeout going on. Not sure. Yeah, there's a 5-second cooldown. All these lurkers in here. Interesting. I don't know what points are. Oh, I think I played with something for the points and I don't even know what it means. Anyway. So yeah, so this now has a border bottom, which is good. 8, 12. Ooh, this is interesting. This is gonna depend on the design a lot, so that's maybe something I have to figure out. All the lurkers. That's something I have to figure out once I make this like more real thing where you can create like your own designs and stuff. So maybe why don't I add like a little header for each page? What about the TLDR price total overview, like your footer on the top? I can do that, assuming that I only have, no, assuming that I have multiple pages. If I have like one page, and I don't think it's gonna be necessary, if that makes sense. I think that makes sense. If one page, else. If one page, then yeah. Let's add like little heading. If page is 0, heading, otherwise heading data, just in case. And what I'm gonna do is like small heading. Yeah, big heading. Function heading, big heading. So big. Sure. Small heading, and now it's gonna be exactly the same. Are you building this for fun or will be used somewhere? I have a little invoicing system already for my own invoices, but I was looking for a project to build on stream, and I was like, why not? So this can be like a real thing. I also have like the domain invoice.space. Invoice.space. Yeah, it's like an empty deployment right now. 70 viewers. Hello, lurkers. So what should a small heading be? Just this thing, without the information and the clients. That's one thing we can do. Maybe also drop this. That could work. Is Small Fest Solutions a real thing? Sort of. Soon. Thanks for the follow, Veronix. Okay, so is this a good thing? I just realized something. That's horrible. That's better. Where is my big heading? I have to fix it there as well. Because look at the alignment. Oh, dropping the sheesh. Some U emojis in the chat. Okay. And I think for my small heading, I also can drop the vertical padding a bit. Maybe this is even too big. So let's make this just Excel. Oh. Did I encode it in here? Oh, also, I just realized that everything is in euros, so let's make this USD for now. Ooh, that's ugly. 99.87. Oh my goodness. That's interesting. I recommend you not to get 100 because I don't know what to do when somebody hits 100. Let me do a little drop as well. Let's get 100. What should I do when somebody gets 100? Thanks for the follow, Siva. Hold on. Thanks for the follow, Siva Sankarangsis. Tailwind UI. I can do a sort of giveaway for Tailwind UI if people are interested. But not now. Oh, dropping. Everybody drop. Yeah, I mean, I can do a giveaway when somebody hits 100, if they are interested in that. Never say never to giveaways. Never say never. My inner Justin Bieber. Malfest solution. So this is smaller, but one issue we have is that I encoded the logo. Childhood memories. Name? Oh, it's in here. So we are doing rems, right? I think, or ems, rems. I can use a little. I can do a little hack. Let's do a little hack. What I can do is do. Let's see. We transform and then we scale to 95. Okay, 90. 90, 80. Oof, that doesn't exist. Your drop game is about to break your computer. Yeah, I think so. Let me quickly check my activity monitor. I don't have like these fancy stream computers that everybody use. My OPS is at 122%. That's interesting. It's gonna break. 72 viewers. Oh damn. Oh, 70 viewers. Sorry that I even mentioned it. Scale. Give me some scale. 75. That's gonna be too much. It's also ugly. So let's not worry about it too much. Oh, what happens when I do... Does this even do stuff? No. It's because we are using rems instead of ems, so it's based on the root. Are you streaming all on one computer? I am. Do I look like I have 20 computers in here? Oh my god. Okay, interesting. Yes, I'm streaming from a MacBook. Just one MacBook. I'm sorry. Sorry, I don't have my .files yet. I should publish them. Commands. Nice. So yeah, how is this looking? So far? Maybe I need more items. Where are my items? ID? Oh, here they are. High demand for your .files, I figured. Here's another thing we can do. Let I equals 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. Writing for loops like it's 1995. Data, items. Push. What do we want to push? An ID of I plus 1. A description of line item I plus 1. What else? Units. Math.random times 20. And floor, that's price. Math.random times 50 plus 75. That thing times 100. VAT. Let's see. Math.random. Second I plus 1. Sorry? You mean this? It doesn't need to be there. So I have 1.18 dot 21 and dot 12, and then I'll just take math.random times 3 floor. Yes. So now we start at 1. We have some random VATs. So many pages. Should I include a page number? Oh, look at this beautiful thing. It's so beautiful. I'm getting hungry. Maybe I should stop streaming soon. Because I've been streaming for like 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, just let's include like a page number somewhere. It's so beautiful. It's so fluffy. Could we get a dark mode? Okay. Let's do a quick dark mode stream. CSS. Dark, BG, gray. 800. Text, gray. 100 by default. Tailwind config. Dark mode. Class, no. Media. Thanks for the follow, broccoli. Broccoli. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. Then, next. CSS. Index. BG white. Dark. BG gray. 900. Is that gonna be too dark? Oof. 700. Dark. BG gray. 600 maybe? What's the difference between class and media? Media is purely based on media queries, so based on your device settings. If you use a class-based system, then you have like more control over it. Then you can write some JavaScript to. So essentially, when you do this, is that a good thing to do? So if you use class, then you can basically implement these 3 things. So you can store light mode or dark mode or auto, and auto would be like basically media query mode. Okay, so we have this thing. I don't like the 600, maybe 800. Okay, okay. Okay, this is something. This BG white should be BG. Let's go something really ugly. Gray. Gray 200. Gray 200. Gray 300. Yeah, this is all ugly. Messaging, what? Messing? Oh, messing. Thanks for the follow, messing. I was like, is somebody messaging me? That's so weird. How can we make this like beautiful and not look like shite? Maybe something like 900, but BG opacity of 75. Thanks for the follow, Echelon. Echelon. Is it not how you do BG opacity? Drop the game. BG opacity. Is there no 75? There should be a 75. $60? I'm sorry? Okay. Toot. Yes, indeed. Oh, I like where this is going. It's all looking like shite. Let's go. Just use. $800. Okay. And now let's go to the. So is this still? Oh boy, did I break stuff already? Issue dates. I did break something already. That's interesting. Oh. Yeah. You can keep it light mode for invoices. I know, but I think one thing that's gonna be interesting is if I do like a stream for late night streams and it's all dark-ish, then it might be better on the eyes. I just want to make it look a little bit better, right? Description, there's like the head. Yep. So this one can be BG gray 900 texts. Okay, and then border and divide stuff. Dark divides gray 800, dark border gray. I'm just using random numbers at this point. Text gray 500. Sure. Text gray 200. Okay. $69 viewers. Nice. I could make this like a component just so that I don't have to repeat it all the time. Okay. Border B, dark, border gray, 800 maybe. Oh, that's basically gone now. Gotta eat breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna stop streaming soon-ish anyway, so I'll probably see you on your stream. So enjoy your breakfast, Resh. What did I say? 200? 100? I have a feeling that this music might be not good for streams because of DMCA stuff. Okay. So this looks better-ish. And I say ish because it's super bad. 700 maybe. Wave after wave. Allez. Is 900 too dark? $700. Okay, I can live with this. Now invoice. Where is that located? It's in here. Text blue 200. It's lunchtime, trash. Yeah, it's like 6 o'clock in here. It's more like yes. I can't speak anymore. Dark text blue 100. Dinner time. That's the word I was looking for. Thank you very much. Text gray 100. Dark text gray 200 maybe. 300. Dunch time then. Dunch. Maybe colors blue gray could work. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I don't mind this. Honestly, I also just realized that this is like no bueno. You can also make your body BG a tad lighter and the invoice background darkest gray. That's another option. If only that 79 was a nice, yeah, that would be nice. Where is my table? Table. What did I call it? Items. I did call it items. And I'll work on the dark mode design another day, but let's just get rid of it for now because it's no. Oh boy, 96.21. That's a good drop. That's a good drop, not gonna lie. PX12. Wait, hello. Is this like nicely aligned? I think so. Pizza in the oven. All right. So this one should be. Wait, why is this so? Was I always zoomed out? Okay. This should be 12 as well. Okay, I'm going to stream for like 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna call it a day. Hello day, this is Robin. I'm getting tired. Is this better aligned now? Is this nice? I think this is nice. The last page is gonna be horrible. How many pages are there? Okay, there we go. So now we have the, wherever we use this thing, this is gonna need, this needs to be 12, and this needs to be 12, and then I missed this one. Invasion. Ooh. I don't hate this. Let's put it that way. I don't hate it. I was gonna do like a page number and I totally forgot. That's interesting. I can do a page number. Page index plus 1 of. Are you also making the create invoice page? Not yet, maybe. Currently it's all just the front end, nothing else. Just the rendering of things. How many pages do we have? How do I know? Pages.length, and I think I can get this information from list. I already have a list. 1 of 13, 10 of 13, 12 of 13, and I don't want to put it here. That's interesting. Good. Flex. Peaks 12, PY3, text gray, 600 text. Right, that should do something nice. And maybe a BG gray of 100. Okay, that's not too bad. Instead of this, what I'm gonna do is flex. What do I want to do here? Do I want to put it on the right? I don't hate this, so that's a good thing. What I do don't like, what I do don't like, what I do don't. This is nicer. 1 of 13. Should we add a shadow? But our shadows are all going down, so maybe I just need a border top. Border gray 100, just a subtle border, I think this is nice. What I'll do is do this. How does it look if you try to get the PDF version? Currently it will look like potatoes. But we'll test it out in a second. So this is what it looks like when trying to get a PDF version. So one thing we should do is background graphics. Yep. And now I just need to drop the spacing. But I think we can easily do this. Okay, I think we can easily do this by going in here. And then what do I want to do? Add page. Can we? Do I need to care about other file sizes? Maybe. I think this is fine. And then another thing I want to do is media print. Uh-oh. My do not disturb was not on all this time. Dangereux. What do I want to do? M0, P0, no margins, no paddings. Make sure that the BG is white. I'm just gonna use important everywhere. And I also want to do these things. Sure. Then I want to go into my Tailwind config. Where is this located? Screens. I think we have something for printing. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. Screens, print, raw print. Okay, that's good. And now, oh, I'm not reading. Your printer is set up to paper size instead of there. Yeah. That's because of Christmas. I made some envelope thingies. Good catch. Loading a preview. So this is way better already. Thanks for the follow, Chloride. You could use PDFkit or maybe later project in PDF generation via Node. I'm going to use a Puppeteer to generate this. Yeah, there is some fun stuff going on. So that means that if I go to my index page, where do I have rounded stuff? Yeah, so what I want to do here is when we print, we want to have rounded none. That's one thing. The other thing is when we print, we don't want to have space Y. Are you missing round the config? Am I? It's in here. There's still some bleeding going on. Oh, you don't need those quotes. Don't worry about it. So there's still some bleeding going on, which is annoying and interesting. No worries. SpaceX. Oh. Yikes, I do need these spaces. It's these ones that I don't want. Can't you add the page break before always per list? I can do that. In fact, I can do it in here. Page break. I think it's been renamed to break after always. That's one thing I can do. Loading preview. Even this is slow. Okay. Is there bleeding going on? There is some weird white stuff going on, but I don't think it's gonna be interesting why that is. I can sort of I don't think I need those. Check the PDF out. What's the PDF out? Yeah, that's a good. I just want to make sure that I don't have margins. Sure. Open PDF in preview. Yeah, so there is some stuff going on in here. When I scroll all the way down, it's still there. Yeah. Oh, did I close it? Don't worry about it. Yeah, this is looking good already. I think I'm going to call it a day because I almost streamed for 4 hours. So let's see if we can rate someone. That would be fun. That would be fun. Who should we rate? Somebody on that we... Classic cat. Let's see. Classic cat, like this. What are they doing? JavaScript Electron. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. To go into my own channel. So yeah, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna do more streams like this. We'll see. All right, let's rate Classic Cats. I think that's how you do it. Do we need a rate message? I don't think so. All right. What is this cat doing up here? Anyway. All right, let's rate them. I just muted my music, so it's all weird right now. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna do it more. I'll make sure to tweet it, to let everybody know on Discord, whatever. Yeah, I'll see you later.